Oh, look, there's a bee, and what else can I see as I savor each magical wonder, as though seeing it for the first time ever. I'm in awe of Mother Nature. As I sit here as quiet as a mouse, with my senses gently aroused, I begin to feel calm, my mind is at ease. I take a deep breath as now I'm at peace. So there's a butterfly dancing on the breeze, and up there high in the tree, a bird